You work hard for your money. You want the best for your family. Building a secure future is about more than just dollars and cents. It's about peace of mind. It's about leaving a legacy. Imagine a life free from financial stress. Picture your children graduating debt-free. Think of the vacations and memories you'll share. This is the power of a solid financial plan. Too many families struggle with debt and uncertainty. They live paycheck to paycheck, never getting ahead. But don't let this be your story. You have the power to change your family's future. With the right tools and guidance, you can achieve financial freedom. You can build a legacy of prosperity and opportunity for generations to come. Time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on tedious financial tasks. Automation simplifies your finances and puts you in control. Set up automatic bill payments. Never miss a due date or incur a late fee again. Establish automatic savings contributions. Watch your nest egg grow effortlessly. Consider direct deposit for your paycheck. This ensures your money goes straight to your account. Automate your investments. Make regular contributions to your retirement and investment accounts without lifting a finger. Automation takes the hassle out of managing your money. It's the first step toward building a solid financial foundation. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making informed decisions and sticking to a plan. Create a budget that works for your family. Track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can save. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net protects you from unexpected events. Pay down debt aggressively. Start with high-interest debt first. Consider the debt snowball method for extra motivation. Review your insurance coverage regularly. Make sure you have adequate protection for your family and assets. Regular financial checkups keep you on track. They help you adjust your plan as your life changes. Dominate. Make your money work for you. Saving is essential, but investing is where you build real wealth. It's time to put your money to work for you. Start with your employer-sponsored retirement plan. Contribute enough to get the full employer match. Explore low-cost index funds. They provide broad market exposure and have historically outperformed actively managed funds. Consider real estate investments. Rental properties can generate passive income and appreciate in value. Invest in your education and skills. Knowledge and expertise are valuable assets that can lead to higher earning potential. Dominating your finances means taking control and making your money grow. Real families, real results. The Anthony Doty methodology has helped countless families achieve financial security. Here are a few inspiring examples. The Smiths were drowning in credit card debt. They felt hopeless and trapped. By implementing the methodology, they paid off their debt in just a few years. They now live debt-free and are saving for their dream home. The Jones family wanted to retire early. They felt stuck in their corporate jobs. They used the methodology to build a portfolio of rental properties. They now enjoy financial freedom and travel the world. The Garcia family wanted to send their children to college. Debt-free, they started investing early and made it a priority. Their children graduated with zero student loan debt. These stories prove that financial freedom is possible for anyone willing to put in the work. Your family's future starts today. Don't wait another day to take control of your finances. Your family deserves a secure future. Start by automating your finances. Then create a budget and manage your money wisely. Finally, dominate your investments and watch your wealth grow. The Anthony Doty methodology provides a roadmap to financial success. It's time to build a legacy of prosperity for your family. Visit our website for more tools, resources, and personalized guidance. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Schedule your free consultation today. The link is below in the description.